Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing because some stuff came in from my friend Brian, who recently started working with Stampin' Up, so it's more of that stuff. And the first thing I grabbed was this Black Cat stamp set because it looks just pretty cool. And I am super excited to see how exactly it will work. Um, And the interesting thing, I got some of their products in the past, but they do red rubber stamps. So, and then they sort of give you stickers to go with them, or like decals to put on top. So, I am curious. You can see it kind of through here. So anyway, I need to read their instructions on how these things actually go together. But it's a neat idea, but I really liked it because I have a black cat, and black cats are pretty neat. And let's see. I got a couple other stamp sets. I got this comes with dies too, but this is the adventure one. It's called something else. Greatest Journey. And then I got some conversation bubbles and happy labels because I kind of was in need of some sentiments, or at least some, some more fun sentiments. And then these I think are the dies that came with the adventure. Yeah, I think that's what these are. Yeah, so I mostly bought it for the dies because I really liked the tree die, and the 10 is really neat because it's sort of a dual layer die. So you've got the outline and then you have sort of your this part you can put over the top of it. Lots of clouds, hikers, bikers. It's very like scene buildery if you're into that, so that's why I was mostly interested in it. I've kind of gotten away from buying outline dies just because I feel like I don't use them that much. So, I don't know. And then a bunch of freebies happened. Actually, this was not a freebie. This is a punch that came with the that happy sentiment. So basically, you can make uh, sentiment strips very easily by just cutting a square and then putting it into the punch, and you can get neat sort of edges on it. Then I got these two punches for free. This one's a little bird that it doesn't actually show you how it goes together. And then this is just a standard tag. Um, they are they were part of every I forget, you got like a free thing every so many. So I also got this paper was included for free. This is this is the By the Bay one, which is sort of nautically inspired. And then I got a stencil that is a pretty cool background pattern. I actually have like a Catherine Pooler stamp that's a very similar one, except it has like the lines alternate or perpendicular. Anyway, so I got those two things. And then I picked up some of their cardstock just to kind of get a sense of what it's like. This is their neutrals and their, I think this, I don't know if this is their deeps or their royals or their whatever. Yeah, the regals, which are sort of more jewel tony. So I haven't touched their cardstock yet. And then I grabbed some white. But I'm going to be interested to see how it holds up to the Michaels cardstock because that's my favorite. And then the last freebie I got were these. This kind of, I think, will go well with the adventure set, where it's basically just background papers. So that is the stuff I got, and I don't know. I'm really curious. I know that the first time I looked at Stampin' Up, I like didn't really dig their art style, but I think I might have just been looking at, I don't know, something that wasn't quite in my vein. But these things will probably be making appearances. I'm really excited to try the bird because I have a bunch of bird dies, but sometimes it's just easier if you have a punch that does everything for you. But anyway, that's what I got for you guys. Have a great one.